If you already have a written script for your recording, then you can utilize it and sync it as captions inside of Camtasia. For example, I have the script for this particular video right here. So I can simply copy this out right here, and then I can go over here and click on Add Caption and just paste that out all over here. And all of the content you can see is right here. So now what I can do is I can go in the beginning and then simply go around and click on Sync Captions. And as the playhead actually plays out, what I can do is I can click on the words to split out the clips. So let's see how this works out. So I'm just going to click on Sync Caption, and over here I'm going to click on Continue. So here it says your video will begin playing, and click on Word to create a new caption and repeat until the text has been captioned, and pause and stop the buttons to control playback. So I'm just going to go around, click on Continue just like this. So over here you can see that I'm in my desktop. This is the This PC icon. This is the recycle bin. This is a TXT folder where I store my files. And then this is Camtasia 2020 logo. So you can see that as the playhead actually played out, I clicked on words, and now according to where I clicked, it created a division right over here. So I can just go around and adjust this out according to what I like as well. So if I were to play this, this is how it seems. So over here you can see that I'm in my desktop. This is the This PC icon. This is the recycle bin. This is a TXT folder where, and that is how the workflow gets much faster. Of course, you can go around and arrange this out as well and take the audio waves as a cue point right here, just like that. So you can split out an entire text just like this by going on to the sync caption option right over here in Camtasia, especially when you have a script ready that is related to your screen recording or your video footage. So that is how you can sync captions inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.